Yeah, what's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I just want to talk about how to be successful in 2024. Guys, if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, comment, like, and share all my videos that I'm going to post on a daily basis. Actually, yep. So how to be successful in 2024, bro? I can't say anything else than starting with the fact that you need to set goals, bro. You need to set goals. You need to know what you want to achieve next week, next month, next year. So it's all about you having that thing in mind that I'm working towards it and I'm almost there to reach it. So it's a process, and the only thing you have is time. So you need to make sure you're using your time effectively and wise, and you spend it on only productive stuff. So me, my first goal, I want to reach 100 subscribers before this 360. How many days left? So before the year end, I have to reach 100 subscribers on this channel. So somebody can laugh at me like, how is that even possible? So like, bro, my other goal is to make sure I have a good studio setup that I can start like jamming, making this good sound so that I can provide good content for the YouTube community and my community. So you need to be patient, especially during times like when you are having a big block. You need to get outside, start exercising, start journaling, start listening to audiobooks, and start getting involved in the community, get involved in some activity. Go to the library and start reading books, start learning, start exploring, think beyond your imagination. You understand. Time is all we have, guys. So if you are not spending your time wisely, which means you won't do anything that you want to do successfully. So for me, I just want to make sure that I grow, and growth is the only thing that can make you successful. So most of the people won't become successful because they don't think successful. If now I want to be successful, I have to think successful, do what everything the successful people do, and try by all means to make sure that I'm moving towards something. So don't be lazy, start something and make sure you achieve and smash all those goals. If you are fat, you need to start exercising, bro, so that you can start losing weight. If you are in love of music, you want to start making beats, then go back to watch all my videos that I've dropped 2018, 2017. I don't think there's a video 2017, but yeah, 2020, 2021, I was dropping videos. I was in this channel. If you can go back in time, I'm not saying this for selfish reasons. I'm saying this to help you so that you can learn something. Maybe that time I was a beginner and I was making a lot of mistakes. Now I make mistakes, but I make less mistakes because I've been in the industry for a long time. That's also what makes people successful, being consistent with what you're doing. You can't start something today and you do it tomorrow and then you do it the next day, and then now you say, I'm tired, what to do, I gotta start something else. Then you will never master anything. You become a master of anything. So if you want to master 2024, you need to master yourself. The first person you need to master is yourself, and everything starts here. It starts in your mind. And so if you want to be successful, make sure you are focusing in the field that you want to be successful at. This is not about, okay, I want to be successful in making music. Of course I want to be successful in making music. I want to be successful in getting placement with big artists, bro. My other goal, my other dream, like my biggest goal, is to get a big placement from big stars. Maybe having a big placement from someone in Atlanta, someone in ATL, someone in Josie, Pitori, you know what I'm saying? Those artists that are upcoming, so that we can start. I can give them beats and they can give me the lyrics, and we can make a song, and then we can produce and can take it out and make. My other goal is to make sure that I release my music, my albums in Spotify. Although I have some of my music in Spotify, if you didn't know, you can check on the description. go and stream my music. But although back then I was not mastering like I'm mastering now, because I was not learning and I was not knowing what I was knowing now that I know now. So that's it. Like being successful is about you uh studying something and believing in what you're doing. It's easy and it's a process. So you need to get involved in a lot of things, this and that. Another goal that I have to be successful is to try to get as many people as possible, like maybe 50, maybe 100 people convinced that they can start making music in FL Studio Mobile and they can do it. And it all begins in this FL Studio Mobile, that you can take it beyond and go to FL Studio 20 or 21, because FL Studio is dropping every update each and every year, and these new updates, they come with new features, effects, sound systems, improved workflow in your digital audio workstation. So you need to make sure that you understand what audio is and you understand the keys and everything that is involved in the music production. So I'm also learning in this industry. I'm not a pro, I'm not a master, but I'm a good student. Okay, so you need to be a good student in order to be successful in 2024. You need to learning starts from learning how to listen. Listening is a skill. So most people, they don't understand that music it's a feeling. It's a feeling. Most of my beats, some of them, they can say that they are possessed with that sad emotions. You understand? Because that's how I feel. If I start making like those big happy joyful beats, then that means I'm joyful, and that's my biggest goal that I want to do this year. Because if I can reflect on my 2023 beats, most of them, they were hard beats, trap beats, like hard beats. You man, I was not playing on the 808. I was coming harder and harder because I was coming with the emotions. So you need to master your emotions. You need to master psychology. You need to be brave. You need to be bold and be patient. Be patient for your turn. You can see that your friend is winning right now, but you can ask yourself, when is my turn? So being successful in 2024 is about you not hating on other people but getting inspired. I got a lot of people that are inspiring me. I can mention them on this channel. Like the first one is Lifestyle Did It. Yo, this guy make crazy tutorials on FL Studio 21. The second one is Deki. Yo, this guy has been growing in my eyes, bro. It's not like I'm jealous. I'm inspired and I want to be better myself. You can be better. You can change the world by changing yourself. The only thing that you can do by helping other people is to help yourself. So I'm also inspired by Double D Beats. I'm inspired by Muguez, especially in the FS Studio Mobile environment. I'm inspired by why I don't know how to spell this name, but it's crazy. So guys, there is this comment that really made me go hard, man. It's still the beginning, but I wanna go hard. This guy has commented this in my channel, and I was like, damn, bro. I don't even know this guy, but he just said this beautiful code, these beautiful words, and they gave me motivation and inspiration to go hard in this year and start doing everything I can so that I can be somewhere tomorrow, right? It's all about you thinking about where can I be tomorrow and what can I do today that can be useful to somebody. It's not about being selfish, it's about helping someone. When you want to give out service to people, you get a lot in return. That's the law. So guys, make sure you start getting involved in a lot of activities. If you don't understand music theory, I will make sure I drop videos on music theory, especially laying down the chord progressions. And you don't know how to lay down anything, learn. There are books, there are PDF, there's a lot of information going on. Everything is fast, guys. So make sure you subscribe, comment, and like all my videos. I got tons of tutorials coming back to back, so make sure you guys support. And man, you give me love and peace. I mean, you embrace like everything that I go through, because making content is not easy, but we love it and we do it because we are inspired. Okay, so make sure you hit the like, ring the notification bell, comment on this video, tell me what you think. I'm feeling blue today, so make sure you guys start getting involved in a lot of activities, guys. In order to be successful, you need to do something. That's it. Do something. Don't disappoint me, bro. This year is almost done. We are almost in it. We are almost through. We are done, bro. Start doing something. Get involved and believe in yourself and go and achieve if you believe. And then, yeah, man, make sure you watch the videos that I'm about to drop later, tomorrow and next year. So because there's a lot of videos that I'm about to drop. YouTube allow us to drop videos. It's all about being creative, bruh. So peace and love and patience. You guys are not patient, but anyways, let me just get out on this video. Thank you for watching. Yeah, I want to cut it, but I don't want to cut it. My mind is saying cut the video, but I'm like, because I still want to go on and on and on and on, because there's so much you can do to be successful. You can start creating content. I wish if I knew that this is secret. Don't tell anyone. Like, I wish if I knew that YouTube allows you to start making content and you get a reward for your hard work. I would have been far. I knew it, but